Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily set the contrast value. At first we have to click on this button over here to enter the settings of our monitor, and here we have to now go to this button to go into the contrast. Here OK, and the default value is 90 as you can see, but we can set 80, but we can set it to 0 using the button to the left, and 90 or 100 to go to the right. As you can see, it works. If you want to save the value, we have to click OK here, and here we can now save and return using the OK button. But if you want to, for example, reset the value, we can click OK here and save and return. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.